Let me explain this to umuntu omnyama so that umuntu omnyama does not fall victim to amanga. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Asiqale. There is something called Warner's syndrome, a rare autosomal recessive disorder characterized by the appearance of premature aging. Let's go back asibuyele emuva and simplify izinto so that you understand mntu omnyama. I-Warner syndrome is an extremely rare disease, isifo esingatholakali noma kanjani, that causes umuntu ukuthi a-age fast, asheshe aguge. It is often called adult prematurity because the signs usually begin during usayi-teenager usuyoba yi-adult rather than usayingane. Understand ukuthi people with Warner syndrome may appear healthy besayingane, but later they develop ama-symptoms lawa avezayo ukuthi bona bane-Warner's disease ngobani they start to age besabancane. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi i-Warner syndrome, it affects i-growth, ukukhula, i-skin, isikhumba, i-hair, iy'nwele, ama-hormones, i-bone, amathambo, ama-vessels akho emzimbeni, eyes, amehlo, fertility. And then it also affects i-lifespan yakho ukuthi uzophila isikhathi esingakanani. This sickness, this kind of ukugula, is a disorder caused by a mutation in the WRN gene, which helps repair i-DNA and maintain ama-chromosome stability emzimbeni. Ibizwa nge-WRN gene or i-Warner gene because it was discovered by Otto Warner ngo-1952. Understand, it is a condition that makes ingane yakho noma ina 6 but look engathi ina 55, and then wena una 31 you could look engathi una 60. Umuntu omnyama uzoba confused athi hayi bayangithakatha abakuthakathi mntu omnyama. Understand ukuthi emzimbeni wakho unama-cells, and lawo ma-cells ukuze abe khona there is something called ama-chromosome kuwena. Lawo ma-chromosome they make i-DNA yakho, they make you ube wena as a human. And understand ukuthi kulawo ma-chromosome asemzimbeni wakho there is a default, a small anyana problem ekwenza uhluke from everyone else, and it is called telomere. And telomere iyona that causes i-Warner syndrome, iyona le yenza ukuthi wena uguge faster than normal people. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi i-WRN gene or protein esemzimbeni wakho helps to repair damaged DNA, helps DNA to copy itself correctly, prevents chromosome instability emzimbeni wakho, but also protects wena muntu onotelomere. So without i-WRN protein or gene emzimbeni wakho, i-DNA damage iya increase, ama-cells stop developing normally, ama-cells enter stagnation, la khona usuzoqala uguge faster. Why? Because ama-tissues akho are starting to age rapidly. Understand? Let's say it together mntu omnyama, i-Warner syndrome. Let's say it one more time, i-Warner syndrome.